Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the three drugs which are coming under resin and resin combinations: asafoetida, mir, and colophony. In the subject pharmacognosy and phytochemistry 2 of Unit 2 of BPharm 5th semester according to Pharmacy Council of India syllabus. So let me start about discussion about the asafoetida. Synonym says gum asafoetida, devil's dung. Generally it is called as hing. About the biological source, it is the oleogum resin obtained by incisions from the rhizomes and roots of Ferula foetida. Another species, Ferula rubricolis, and other species of Ferula belongs to family Umbelliferae. About the characteristics, the commercial Asafoetida is generally found in two varieties: tear forms, another one mass form. First of all, the tear form. The tear forms are the purer drug which occurs from grayish yellow to reddish brown colored rounded or flat pieces. Odor is intense, penetrating, persistent, eliaceous. Taste is bitter, acrid, and eliaceous. So this is eliaceous taste and odor due to the presence of sulfur, like your garlic. For example, best example is garlic. The odor is eliaceous. Tears are about 0.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter. Another variety known as masses comes as agglutinated mixed with the fragments of root, stem, foreign material and other impurities. So due to the presence of these type of impurities, it is less in a commercial point of view. The tear forms are purer drug and mass form is impure drugs, so they are inferior quality. Fresh tears are tough at normal temperature but becomes softer after warming. Mass variety is inferior to that of tears variety because of the presence of various impurities and mixed with some fragments of root, stem and foreign materials, etc. About the chemical constituents, it is an oleogum resin. Asafoetida is an oleogum resin. It contains 4 to 20% volatile oil, 20 to 25% gum, and 40 to 65% resin. So, what are the volatile oils? About the contents of volatile oil, about the contents of gum and resin, we will discuss. The resin of the drug consists chiefly azaresinotannol, means it contains alcohol, resin alcohol, azaresinotanols in a free or combined form with ferulic acid. As alcohol is there as well as it is combined with ferulic acid. Free umbelliferone is not there, it is absent in the drug. Ferulic acid, this ferulic acid on treatment with hydrochloric acid converted to umbellic acid, which loses water to form umbelliferone. Here you see free umbelliferone is not there, it is absent in the drug. Ferulic acid on treatment with hydrochloric acid is converted to umbellic acid. Ultimately umbellic acid when it loses water to form umbelliferone. Oil of asafoetida, this oil, volatile oil, is obtained by steam distillation of the oleogum resin. When asafoetida is steam distilled, so asafoetida oil is obtained by steam distillation of this asafoetida. The chief constituents of oil are secondary butyl propanyl disulfide. Here you see that sulfur is there. Other Other constituents of oil are di and trisulfides, pinene, and other terpenes. Specific odor, as I told you, that Eliaceous odor is specific for this drug Sapoetida. Specific odor of the drug is due to sulfur compounds. As I told you, best example is Eliaceous taste and odor. It is specific in case of Sapoetida due to garlic smell or garlic odor. About the chemical test, number 1, when triturated with water, it forms a yellowish orange emulsion. Number 2, to the fractured surface of the drug, when a drop of sulfuric acid is added, a red or reddish brown color is produced, which when washed with water changes to violet. This umbelliferone test is the specific for Asafoetida. Umbelliferone test. What the umbelliferone test says? They triturate about 0.5 gram of the drug with sand and 5 ml of hydrochloric acid. To that, add little quantity of water, then you have to filter it, and to the filtrate add equal volume of ammonia. A blue fluorescence is produced due to the presence of umbelliferone. This is specific for Asafoetida chemical test. Next is your uses. It is a nervine stimulant and is used in psychic disorders, used as carminative in intestinal flatulence, as a flavoring agent for the preparation of some curries, sauce and pickles. Next drug is myrrh. Synonym is myrrha and ball. Biological source. It is also an oleogum resin obtained from the stem of Commiphora molmol and from other species of Commiphora like Commiphora avicenica and Commiphora simperi, family Burseraceae. About the characteristics, it occurs as irregular rounded tears or masses of different size. In both form they are available, tears and masses, different size about 1.5 to 3 centimeter in diameter, weigh up to 250 gram. The drug is brittle and breaks with granular fracture and can be powdered easily. It is reddish brown color externally and internally also it is brown color, means internally when it is the fractured surface is brown color. It has pleasant, agreeable, aromatic odor, bitter and acrid taste. About the chemical constituents, myrrh is an unorganized drug. Why? Because it is available in the form of either tears or masses. That is why they are unorganized drugs. Myrrh is an unorganized drug and consists of a mixture of resin, volatile oils, gum, moisture and other impurities. So in the previous slide I told you that it is nothing but the oleogum resin. That is why it contains volatile oil, gum, resin and other substances like moisture and other impurities. The constituents of volatile oils are terpenes such as monoterpene, sesquiterpene, etc., cumenic aldehyde, esters and eugenol. This gum contains both water soluble and insoluble portion and forms a mucilage, because the insoluble portion forms a mucilage. The gum is associated with oxidase enzyme. Resin contains ether soluble resin acid such as alpha, beta and gamma commiphoric acid. Ether insoluble resin acid are alpha and beta hydroxymerolic acid. On hydrolysis, gum yields arabinose, galactose and glucuronic acid. About the chemical test, first number 1 is when triturated with water. When the drug mir is saturated with water, it forms yellowish brown emulsion. Number 2, when about 0.1 gram of the substance and 0.5 gram sand are saturated with solvent ether, then it is filtered and allowed to evaporate. The thin film formed gives violet color on contact with bromine vapors. Uses: it has stimulant and antiseptic properties. It is astringent to the mucous membrane, and hence its tincture is used in mouthwash and gargles. So previously we have seen that it is a pleasant, agreeable odor. That is why, and it is astringent to the mucous membrane when it is gargles, and also used in mouthwash. Next drug is colophony. Synonym says colophony is rosin, rosina, amber resin. Amber resin means due to its color, amber resin, colophonium. Biological source: it is a solid resin left as a residue after the distillation of the oil of turpentine from the crude oleogam resin, obtained from various species of Pinus like Pinus palustris, Pinus roxburghi, Pinus longifolia, and Pinus maritima. You see here, turpentine oil is distilled. So the solid resin which is left as a residue after the distillation of the turpentine oil from the crude oleogam resin from colophony, obtained from these species under family Pinaceae. About the characteristics: pale yellow or yellowish brown or emerald colored. Odor and taste resembles with turpentine, because previously we have seen that it is a solid resin because it is a residue which is left after the distillation of the turpentine oil. So it is solid, pale yellow to yellowish brown or amber colored solids. Odor and taste resembles with turpentine because it is obtained from the turpentine oil after the steam distillation of the turpentine oil. It is brittle and readily fusible at 100 degrees Celsius with glossy appearance. It is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol. So it is solid in character or solid in texture, or you can say it is availability is in solids form. About its solubility, it is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol because it is oil obtained from the oil. That is why it is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol. Carbon disulfide, chloroform, ether, many fixed and volatile oil, glacial acetic acid, and in light petroleum there is the boiling point 50 to 60 degree, and in solution of chloral hydrate with a concentration of 5N2. About the chemical constituents, it contains mainly resin acids which are unsaturated, hence they are very reactive. About 84 to 90% of this is abiotic acid. About 5 to 6% of resins, this is an inert resin, RESENES resins, inert resin. 0.5 gram of volatile, 5% of volatile oils. The drug also contains esters of oleic acid and resin acids. This is also resin acid, abiotic acid. Other acids in the colophony are saponic acid and pymeric acid. Abiotic acid exists in the form of three isomers, that is alpha, beta, and gamma abiotic acid. Next, chemical test. Number 1, alcoholic solution of colophony is acidic to litmus. Since it is not soluble in water, its alcoholic solution is acidic to litmus, means it turns milky white when added to water. So it forms an emulsion. Number 2, in a dry test tube, dissolve 1 gram of powdered colophony in 10 ml of acetic anhydride by gentle heat and add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. What the color changes? Bright red color changes to violet color. About the various uses, medicinally it has stimulant and diuretic properties. It is also used in the preparation of ointments and plasters. Industrially, it is used in the preparation of varnish, insulating materials, soap, printing inks, soldering compounds, pressure sensitive additives. And colophony, which is modified by hydrodistillation or polymerization, are used in the production of adhesives, linoleum, rubber and surface coatings. This is all about three drugs, Sapoetida, Mir and colophony. Thanks a lot for watching the video patiently. Thanking you all.